Also, CAS is made up of individuals that are differently abled, a wide range of abilities. We come together and we are able to express the love that we have of acting and the ability to showcase our talents.
It's a course that's offered through the drama department at Syracuse, and we put on a show with like theater elements. We do improv, we do a lot of music and song and dance.
They got me harmonica.
Sing it, Billy Joel.
We really work for finding that sense of equity in what the actors bring and what the student facilitators can help to bring so that we co-create a show every semester.
It's an all-inclusive program that welcomes pretty much everyone with special needs or even without special needs.
It's easy to overlook issues of ableism if they don't directly affect you. And so we really focus a lot on the issues of disability rights.
When people have less ability to express themselves verbally, how can we show it in our body? How can we make up a song about it? How can we increase that sense of inclusion?
We're a huge university, and we have so many resources that we can use to reach out to people in the community. And so I think it's valuable to offer support and offer community engagement. It is also a great learning experience for the students to take these hands-on classes and really see how what they're learning in the classroom can have a real-world impact.
Being able to have a space like this where we can be open, free, and creative just makes our relationships even better, even stronger.
Facilitators are like a lot of fun. They're really open to you, and they treat you like family.
I just became really good friends with them, and they were very nice to me, and they're always there for me.
I came in here and was just a newbie, and now I'm part of a family. Being a part of this group, I feel like I'm happy all the time. You know, it's basically what life is all about.